on the 64th Independence Day of Mr. Rajat. Acharya will address the crowd on this happy occasion.
Hello, friends. There was come out from the depth of truth, where tireless craving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the gray desert sand of death, habit. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Thus said Rabindranath Tagore in Gitanjali. These inspiration words on the occasion of our Independence Day are especially relevant to us, the Sun City Parivar. I will come to that later on. It is an exhausting feeling to celebrate Independence Day with you every August 15th. There is a sense of something great, something profound, as if we are living a dream, leaving our own page in history. The memories of the sacrifices made by millions of Indians, the conceal the freedom movement by the Mahatma, and the remarkable progress we have made from them is a feat perhaps underlined in history. Friends, I mentioned about the truth, about the tireless striving, and about the reason. There is a compelling contest which I request all of you to appreciate. The Sun City apartments were conceived to be one of the destinates Geneva, and indeed, we have tirelessly strived to ensure the same. Much has been done in that direction, and much has been achieved. It would only be fair to mention here that we have tried to deliver the best possible infrastructure at the most competitive price. Just to give you a very small example, in passing the basement upper floor, more than 40 tons, which underlines our commitment to quality. As the promoters of Sun City, our vision is not limited to successfully selling our projects and extend to deliver of customer satisfaction. Our approach has been defined by the principle that we are builders of your dreams and we would do nothing to come in its way. Now I acknowledge that some issues have cropped up in the interim about providing a clubhouse and swimming pool. When we were apprised about this from certain apartment owners, corporately representing all the owners on June 5th, we responded that we would look into it expeditiously and sort out the issue a few weeks on 26th meeting. But on June 5th, we were shocked to see a group of apartment owners bearing on with a press entourage and rudely accosting us, making all sorts of allegations. Friends, I would like to reiterate here that I stand before you as the founder member of the Sun City Parivar. I am a part of your family. We are all together in this, and it is unfortunate that some people have tried to foment discord by painting me as an adversary, given the mischievous allegations and the rancor and that is being spread about us in the press, including on the internet. I am compelled to come before you and share my anguish with you, while at the same time giving you my solemn assurance that we are not the sort of people who forget our promises, that we built our plan on the strength of our integrity and customer satisfaction, that we have earned the trust of our customers brick by brick, painstakingly, without reasoning to gimmickry. Friends, as a builder, I can tell you with authority that building is about a rebuilding and not a destroying. In all sincerity, I would like to rebuild our relationship with you and restore harmony and goodwill. I appeal to those people who may have been misled or misguided to come forth, and together let us sort out all the issues amicably without any room for doubt or stupidness. Families do not fight in the open because there is a certain sanctity to relationship. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts with you on a memorable occasion like this. I wish you and your families all the best, very best, and may all your dreams come true. Hello, Bharat Mata ki. Thank you once again. Thank you.
सीनियर सिटीजन लेडी की तरफ से दो शब्द मिसेस श्रीवास्तव बोलना चाहते हैं।
बड़ी चुके हैं हमारे मेंबर साहब, यही पूछना था कि जो आपने अंकल